So I actually didn't intend to make this hammer. I wanted to make a full-size one-piece mallet on the lathe. I found a bunch of osage that had been cut, I think probably yesterday. So it's very green, it's easy to work right now, and I thought it'd be cool to make a nice big mallet. I messed up on the table saw, you'll see that here in a sec, and ended up with a wee little hammer. It's still really cool, and I'll show you how I made it. Alright, so I've got the mallet cut out. Notice the proportions are a little bit odd. I made a pretty big mistake on the table saw and ruined what I had intended for the mallet head. So I'm going to make it into a wee little hammer similar to this, just to keep going. Just means I'm going to have a lot more turning to do on the handle. It'll still be a fun little project, but not what I intended.